guys, welcome to Alma's Corner. This is Nanama Ekuma. This is Nanama Chumesi. Today I'm going to teach you how to make MPOTO-MPOTO for 8-month-old baby. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. So I'm going to start first by showing you the ingredients that I'm going to use to make this yummy MPOTO-MPOTO. It makes it so easier whenever you use the peeler instead of using knife. So I'm going to cut this into 4 pieces so that it can cook faster. So after you finish peeling your baby potatoes, you're going to wash it into a clean water. Then you put them in your cooking saucepan. So the next stage, I'm going to cut my carrot into smaller pieces. This carrot is already washed and being peeled out. So I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. So after cutting my carrot into smaller pieces, I'm going to add it to the baby potatoes that I cut previously. I will now add my chicken breast. It's been washed and it's been cut into smaller pieces. So I'll add it to my carrots and my potatoes. So now I'll add half teaspoon of salt to give it a taste because she's still a baby. And after that, I'll add my 2 glasses of water to it, and it's ready to go on fire. So right now my ingredients are cooked. As you can see, I'm going to put them in the blender. I'm going to put everything in the blender. You have to make sure everything is cooked properly. Adults can also have this food because it's very healthy. I'm going to put the cooking stock into it. Now that I've put in everything in the blender, I'm going to have half teaspoon of powdered chili. You can use fresh chili if you want. At the moment I don't have fresh chili, so I'm going to use this powdered chili. It's been made fresh. So it shouldn't be too smooth. And this is the right texture that I wanted. So this is the right texture that I wanted. Very, very, very smooth, not too smooth, but It's really good. They have that tastes really yum. You want to try, Nanama? You like it? Oh, my daughter loves it. She can't wait to have it. So I'm going to put them in the saucepan so that I can add my palm oil to it and put it on fire for 5 more minutes. So my palm oil is going in. So I'm just going to measure 2 tablespoons of palm oil. You can get this from African shop. It's called Zomi. So that is 2 tablespoons of red palm oil. I'm going to leave it like this for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it's ready to be served. So this is how it's gonna be after you finish cooking it. The whole process takes like 10 minutes to complete it. Don't forget to try this at home for your little ones, the big ones, and also the adults yourself. So this is the container that I use to store my baby's food. You can get them from Reject Shop, or you can get it on my website very soon. So I'm going to start by putting the MPOTO-MPOTO in this container. I'll place it down to cool up, then after I'll put it in the freezer. So this food can sustain my daughter for 1 week, or let's say 5 days. You like mommy's food? Thank you, viewers. Thank you for watching today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And the name is Nanama Kuma.